In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tickets in Jira. Merging tickets in Jira can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Let's dive right into it so we can maximize your efficiency while working with your team. First off, open up your web browser and head over to the Jira website. If you haven't already, you'll want to be logged in to your account. Since many of you might use Google accounts for this purpose, simply click on Google to sign in using your Google credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your project dashboard. Next, you'll want to navigate to your desired board. You can find this by looking at the left-hand panel once you've accessed your Jira homepage. Click on the link to your board and you'll be taken directly there. Now that you are on your board, it's time to identify the specific issue or ticket that you're interested in merging. Select the issue from the list presented on your board, and this will bring up the details for that specific ticket. Take a moment to review the information displayed. Ensuring you've selected the correct ticket is a crucial step in the process. Once you're certain, direct your attention to the top left corner, where you'll find a plus icon. Go ahead and click on it. What we're aiming to do here is to add a connection between the tickets. To proceed with this, once you click the plus icon, you'll see an option labeled Add Connected Work. Click on this option. This reveals a drop-down menu with various possibilities for how tickets can be linked or related to one another. From this drop-down, look for the Is Blocked By option. Click on it and another list will appear. Here, you'll want to change it to indicate that the current issue will be merged into another. Selecting Merged Into communicates that the current ticket will be incorporated into another ticket. It's a great way to keep things organized. Once you've selected the appropriate relation, you'll be faced with another drop-down menu. This time, you need to choose the specific ticket you want the current issue to be merged with. Use this opportunity to search for or select the accurate ticket number or name from the list provided. Finally, with everything in order, all you need to do is click on the Link button. Doing this confirms the merging action, linking the two issues as intended. And there you have it. Your tickets are now successfully merged in Jira. Whether you're cleaning up duplicate issues or consolidating related tasks, merging can be a handy tool to keep your workflow seamless and efficient. I hope this tutorial helps you navigate merging in Jira more confidently. Thank you for watching and happy managing on Jira.